First, I'm going to pictory.ai. Then I want to copy some text here. Just go plagiarism checker. So this link I attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first paste here your article, then check plagiarism. Just one click here, then verify you are not a robot. So detecting already start here, so I'm waiting few seconds. Because of this tool need for analysis the data, you can see this result is 100% plagiarism and 0% unique. This is very bad because of this is copy paste article, but I have a secret way how you can remove this plagiarism, then your result are 0% plagiarism and 100% unique. So this link you will find in my description below. Then click here, then you are redirect to this website. This is a website, so I already copied. Then click on remove plagiarism. When I click on remove plagiarism, then again click on this icon, you can see this is a result. Those just copy and again go here, then I want to paste here again, then just check plagiarism. I am not a robot. Just verify it, then you can see the result. And I'm very excited of because this is a tricky method. You can see this is 100% unique and 0% plagiarism. Now you can use this article on your project and any others and etc field. This does not mind Google because of its 0% plagiarism and 100% unique. So this is a tricky video for you. So if you want to more tricky video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for the next video. See you again. Take care. Bye.